Today we're going to engage in a short and simple improvisational movement sequence with just some simple and gentle moves that anyone can do. So just make sure you're wearing something comfy and let's get right into it. For those who don't know me though, I'm Katerina. I'm a registered clinical counsellor and a registered dance movement therapist here in beautiful Australia. And we'll always start off with a couple of deep breaths. So let's just tune into our body and see where we're at today. So breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth, making the exhale longer than the inhale. Again. And out. And always make sure that you check with your trusted medical professional before making any changes in your lifestyle if you are concerned for your health in any way. I'm just swaying from side to side here. I'm making this quite dynamic, so stepping out a bit wider and just gently sensing into the connection between your feet and the ground. Just going into your knees a little. Just see my neck wants to come along. So as I said, this is quite improvisational. So half circles with your neck. If that is available to you, do not do anything that your body is not ready for. So please let your body take the lead on this. You can always skip one of these movements and, for example, just keep swaying without the neck. And improvisation means that we are following what our body is telling us. So let's just involve our shoulders and let our arms come along for the ride. And really those simple and gentle breaths where we make the exhale longer than the inhale help us enter a parasympathetic nervous system state. And I can already feel so calm. So it really helps us enter that state where we rest and digest, where we feel that our nervous system is regulated, meaning that we're calm and that things can't faze us so easily. And maybe moving a little bit lower. I'll just go to the side a little bit. And sort of moving into one knee, both knees actually. And I'm sort of gently lifting my legs off the ground as well, like my feet off the ground. So if that's available to you, I encourage you to try that if that feels good for you. Ideally, I'd like to encourage you to also follow your own body's cues in terms of what move it might want to do next. So that may be different from what I'm doing. It may be mirroring some of the movement qualities, the gentleness, the swaying, the momentum. It may do that. It may be something completely different. So now I'm stepping forward and back, and it's sort of like that shift of weight. Shifting forward and shifting my weight back. And as I always say pretty much in any video, is being aware of your core. Because being aware of your core helps you feel more embodied in your movement and within yourself, more connected to your body. All movement initiates from the core and it goes through the core. It helps you feel more balanced and stable, to be aware of your core, especially in a weight shift like this. So let's just step from side to side. I'm still sort of gently lifting my feet. Just feeling really nice actually to sort of articulate through your feet as well. I'll just show you, just lifting your toes as well and sort of pushing through the foot from the ball into the heel slowly. Very nice. movement as well. We might want to just lift our shoulders gently and sensing into our sides here. Still swaying from one side to the other. Sort of almost being like a snake. Like a body roll to the side. It helps me feel aware of that side. I always get very stiff in both sides. All right, now we always like to keep this a bit short so it's repeatable and digestible. And let's just shake it all off a little bit. Shaking off the energy. And yawn. Yawn always makes me think that I'm relaxed now. I'm relaxing. Entering that parasympathetic nervous system state. And let's take one last deep breath in together. Arms above our head. Shoulders to our ears. And out through the mouth. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember that free reflection tool in the description box of this video that helps you track your body sensation for thoughts and feelings as you go through this sequence. And leave me any comments, any feedback, and I'll see you in the next video.